So let's look at the constant angle loci. Now, in the constant angle loci, what we mean is if we have a chord AB, let's ignore this arc. The angle, if angles are subtended by AB, angles at the center, the angle at the center is twice the angles at the circumference. That means if this angle is 40, this has to be 80. And 40 can be anywhere along this circumference, along this arc. So it could be here, here. So what it forms is what we call locus, loci. It's called the loci, constant angle loci. So the angle can be anywhere along that circumference. The path it forms is the loci, because there are so many. So if this is x, this is 2x. And all these angles are x. If this is 60, 60, 60, this has to be 120. Now let's look at the question. So you have to, this is a pair of major arcs on either side of AB, of the chord AB. So it could also be on this side. So let's answer this question. A and B are fixed points, 6 centimeters apart. Construct the locus of a point P such that angle APB, so this P, this angle is 60. So there are so many 60s. So all we have to do is measure 6 centimeters, measure 6 centimeters, assuming you have measured 6 centimeters. Then, now if this is 60, then this has to be 120. We have to do some math. If the angle here is 120, then these two are equal. So this angle, 180 minus 120 over 2 is this angle here. 180 minus 120 is 60. 60 divided by 2 is 30. These are the base angles. The base angles are 30, 30, 30. So all you have to do is to get the angles 30 and 30 first. We can use the protractor. Get 30. And 30. 30 and 30. Or it could be 30 down here. And 30 here. Then we draw the lines. This is 30. This one. This other one is 30. So where they meet is 120. Then draw this 30 also. is 30. Where they meet is 120. Where they meet is the center of the circle. So, how do we get the radius? The radius is this one. The radius is OR. OA. Or OB. Or any of those. Now, you get the radius. The center is that one. Then we draw two major arcs. On either side. Those arcs are the loci. So 60 can be anywhere along this circumference or arc. And that is how we get the constant angle loci. So if the angle were to be 40, this will have been 80, and this will have been 50-50, and so on and so forth. So we can now change this angle to be anything, to be 50 degrees. You do that one, to be 40. So let's change these angles to be 50, to be 40.